So there are two ways we can do this question. The first one is if we rearrange this, absolute value of z is w. That means what's inside has to be either plus w or minus w, because in both cases the absolute value of plus w would be w, that of minus w would also be w. That means z is either minus w or w, and you'll see in both cases if you square them, this will always be true. So the answer is C. You do have to kind of go through the choices, because A and B we can eliminate because they don't have to be true. They could be true, and similarly with the remaining choices, and you'll be able to spot the correct answer. The other approach is to use the identity, which is absolute value of x is equal to square root of x squared. This is always true, and we can apply that here. Absolute value of z is equal to square root of z squared. So if I rewrite this part, and if I square both sides, that's what I'll get. But they're really both the same. But I would emphasize that make sure you understand where this comes from. This is a common source of confusion. This is true for all values, whether x is positive or negative. So make sure you review this concept. So to summarize, the answer is C.